that means you are ready to get started on intervals and the interval worksheet that I left for you. So today what we're going to do is go over what intervals are, how they work, and do a couple of examples together so that way you can prepare to do this on your own. First things first, let's figure out what intervals are. They are the amount of space between two notes. So any interval can be between any two notes on the piano or on the staff. Intervals are classified or named by the number of half steps in between each note. So this is saying that you have a starting note and an ending note. You have to count the number of half steps in between those two to determine if this is a major, minor, perfect, which are the three classifications, second, third, fourth, whatever it is. We're going to go over the names, classifications, and number of half steps on the next slide. So here are all of your intervals, minor, second, all the way through perfect 8 or perfect octave. So this moves up by 1 every single time. Minor second has 1 half step, major second has 2. It's the same until we get to perfect 4th and perfect 5th. If you look carefully, we do not have 6 half steps. That interval does not exist for us yet. It is real, but we are not going to talk about it today. So we're going to skip from perfect 4th with 5 half steps up to perfect 5th, and then from perfect 5th to perfect octave, it's moving up again in increments of adding a half step. We are going to use this keyboard to help count the half steps of a major third. Now, on our previous slide, we saw that a major third has 4 half steps. We're going to start on C, and we're going to go from there. So we're going to start on the key of C. We're going to move up 1 to the black key, which is C sharp or D flat, in between C and D, down to the key of D, up, this is our third movement, so we're almost there, to D flat, and then finally to E. So each of these arrows represents a half step. This is a visual to help you see the movement between the keys. We have 4 distinct movements which show us the 4 half steps that make up the major third. Let's do another one of these. So we're going to try and find a perfect 5th now. We're going to start on the key of C and go up 7 half steps. So here's our keyboard. We're going to start on C. We're going to go up 1, down 2, up 3, down 4. Now this is where it gets a little different. E and F do not have a key in between them, so you are just going to go directly across. 5, up 6, down 7. So a perfect 5th above the key of C is G, because it's 7 half steps away. We'll do one more, and this time we're not going to start on C because not every interval starts there. C is not the only place where you can have an interval. So we're going to find a minor third starting on the key of E. So minor thirds have 3 half steps. Again, E and F do not have a key in between them, so it is just a direct 1 over. Up to F sharp from F is 2, and then down to G is 3. You will repeat this process regardless of the type of minor or major. It's just counting half steps the whole time. So if you want me to go back over this again, you can rewatch this video, or you can email me with any questions, comments, or concerns that you have. Have fun and good luck.